Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that WOJAK token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do you want to research for the investing? According to the website, WOJAK is the face of internet emotion, highs, lows and pure hopium, simple, familiar, endlessly memeable. WOJAK belongs to everyone who's ever felt the memes. WOJAK is a community-driven meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain, recently undergoing a significant token migration to renew its ecosystem. A meme coin within a narrative built around the popular WOJAK internet meme. It functions primarily as a cultural and social asset within the community, undergoing a technical renewal. A recent migration swapped an old token contract for a new one, using a unique flywheel mechanism to burn supply and incentive holding defined by its community. Its value position and roadmap are centered on collective participation and shared conviction rather than a traditional utility or platform. WOJAK token total supply is around 323.51 trillion and circulating supply is also 323.51 trillion WOJAK token. WOJAK token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, Bitmart, Lbank, XC.com and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.